Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to each and everyone all over the world. Charot. So yeah, ito isang maliit na sharing lang about what we did in our summer time here in Canada. So si husband ay meron siyang big bike. So lumabas nga kami and makikita nyo dito ang ganda ng panahon. Makikita nyo yung araw at this is around 5 p.m. already, and during summer, nagsiset ang araw ay around 10 p.m. So, napakaganda nga ng panahon na lumabas at motorbike rather. So, yeah, it felt like I am home kasi it's my way of transportation nung nasa Dumaguete pa ako sa